Hi everyone, welcome to Code Kamkaji. I hope everybody are doing good. Today's video we will be discussing about how to install SonarQube on Ubuntu machine. So stay tuned till this video, and if you haven't like, share, subscribe to Code Kamkaji, I request you to go and do it right away. So here I have rented a virtual machine in AWS Cloud, and this is a virtual machine with the flavor of Ubuntu. And I brought documentation that we are going to follow each line by line to install and initialize the SonarQube. So let's follow each single command, and we can initialize it and you can follow it as along with me. So first, we'll initialize it like updating the server, and this entire operation is going to be depends on your Ubuntu machine configurations like CPU, RAM, and your internet speed. So let's install the OpenJDK 17 version. And for information, in this video, we are going to install the SonarQube version of 10.5. And in a future, if whenever you will be see this video, so those versions will be changed. So I request you to follow the official documentation of SonarQube, and I'll add the documentation release link into the description along with the installation steps, so you can follow it if you are watching this video in future. Let's verify the Java version, and we have the 17. Now initialize the PostgreSQL. Let's start the service and enable the daemon. And now we'll log in as a PostgreSQL user, and let's perform this action of creating user and giving the permissions. Done. Now we are going to get the binaries of 10.5.1 version of SonarQube as a GIF format. We're going to download that, and we're going to install the unzip package to unzip the uh, file that we have downloaded. If I do ls, I can say this is a GIF file. We need to unzip it, so that's why we have downloaded the unzip package. Now I'm going to use the unzip package, and I'm going to unzip the file. If I do ls, you can see the file which have unzipped. And now it's time to move it into opt /sonar cube, and I'm going to add the user, and later we'll see we'll grant the all the permissions and all. Very basic stuff, if you are familiar with Linux operatings, Linux kernel, so you can easily understand this all the commands what we are doing, creating and granting the permissions to certain users. Now it's time to create the sonar property file that we are going to initialize the username and passwords. And I'm going to copy this session, and I'm going to add here, which was commented line at the down, paste it, try enter. So I'm going to create the service for running the SonarQube, and I'm going to paste the entire session from here to here. Paste, Control X, Y, enter. Now I'm going to verify the service successfully initialized, and let's see, the user has already existed. Now I'm going to grant all the permissions to the OPT SonarQube. Oh, sorry. I think we have already performed that action. Let's grant this. And let's reload the daemon and start the service of SonarQube. So if I head back, and this is my public IP address of the server, I'm copying it and I'm going to the browser and I'm giving a colon with the port of SonarQube is a 9000. I'll press enter. Let's wait for some time to get it online. I think it is getting up. So the service has been started. Okay. So the default password for this, like admin and admin. So once you given it, it will ask you to update the password. The old password was admin, and the new one you can give it as per you. I have given my new one. So password validation is successfully done, and this is how you can install the SonarQube. You can see the projects, issues, like all the basic information what you can see it. But yeah, this is the open source version, so you can optimize it and you can do it customizable up to your requirement. So I hope it is clear for you to understanding the installation of SonarQube. And if you still have questions, I request you to drop your comments in the comment section and stay tuned uh, for this good Kamkaji SonarQube series. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.